Tech Motors family, this is the 1996 Honda CRV. It is 4x4. It does come with 60,769 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is also 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Oops, sorry. Also, they do go away. I did want to let you know that this vehicle does come in kilometers, as y'all can see down here. This number up here, 97,799. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 60,769. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We're going to start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you're looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal cars across the U.S., you're in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, you can visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com or contact us at 423-716-2161. I do want to tell y'all thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It really does mean a lot to us. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.